Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Goldie Boxed, so let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to Goldie Boxed is a lifestyle box. We get it seasonally. This is the winter box. It is done by our friend Jessica over at Everything Proof Beauty. I will link her down below if you want to go over and check her out. She does subscription box unboxings, or she used to do a lot more. Now she spends so much more of her time putting this box together. But she, like me, unboxed a lot of boxes. She could see what she wished was different, what she wished was better, and she has put out her own box that fixed all of the things that she wanted fixed. It's all cruelty-free. She's very environmentally aware. And we do our selection for this on the first day of the season. So we don't even do our winter selection until the end of December. I have had this for quite some time, as you guys know. I was away for a couple of weeks and then I was sick for a week and a half. So I'm very far behind on this, but this is still available on her site. What is different about this is you can choose which size bear you want to be. You can choose 3, 5, or 7 products that you pick from the between about 12 and 15 choices that she gives us. You will also, if you are a bronze bear, so you make 3 of the choices of the products that she gives us to choose from that are not in categories, by the way. Everybody chooses the 3 things or 5 things or 7 things they want from the same pool. How awesome is that? So you choose 3, that's the bronze bear, and you get a bronze bear bonus, or you can choose 5, that is the silver bear, and you get a silver bear bonus and the bronze bear bonus, or you can choose 7, you will make 7 choices from that big pool, and you will get the gold, silver, and bronze bear bonuses. So I subscribed right from the top for the gold bear. I will put all of the information on pricing down below, along with a link over to check her out. Also, if you sign up with Catherine 10, you will get 10% off your first box. We open it up. This is what it looks like. You can opt out of having your information on paper and you can just have it online. I do it on paper too because it's so much easier for me when I unbox. That's what all my goodies look like. First out and right on top, oh, I got the cute gloves. I thought these were so cute and such a universal color that they would go with everything. And I know because of me, I am very late in opening this. So I have almost missed winter this year, but the good news is there will be a winter again next year. And again, like I said, I've probably had this for at least a month. That is what that looks like. They are super soft. It says they are from Style Line. They have a $16.99 value, and it says smart gloves with a winter border pattern. Use your tech devices and keep your hands warm all winter. It was the tech devices part that you can't even tell there's anything different with them. Let's see if it works. You know what? I have my iPad right here. Let's give it a try. But that is what drew me to. Oh, so soft. They fit nicely too. That's nice because a lot of times they're too big, or I have a very broad palm. They can be too small. This is like a perfect fit. Okay, let's see if it works. I'm doing my password on my iPad and oh, I play Monopoly Go. It totally worked. That is so cool. That is exciting. It totally worked. And I wouldn't, obviously, I wouldn't need them in the house with my iPad, but they would be awesome out there in the world with my iPhone. Or my watch. Does it work with my Apple Watch? Let's see. It does. It's measuring my heart rate as we speak because I pushed. That is awesome. I love so much that they work so well. Okay, this was my first choice. Next out we have, I don't recall. Oh, it looks like it says Apron. 100% cotton. I love an apron. This is very lightweight. I like that a lot. Oh, it's very soft. Feels like linen. That is very, I love the lightness of this fabric. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing. Oh, and I don't have to tie it. I like that too. Okay, this is what it looks like. We have 2 pockets in case you want to put recipe cards or whatever, tissues, whatever you would like to put in your apron pockets. Nice long ties. It is from Holly Holly. It has a $38 value. A cotton apron to protect clothes from spills and splatters, complete with spacious front pockets for kitchen or garden tools. I didn't even think about gardening. In 2 patterns, rainbow or color block. I think I chose. I feel like that was a choice we have, and I chose the color block because I have yellows in my kitchen. So I thought that would be perfect. I like that one. I was trying to get this picture ready and I don't know why, because I'm going to take it right downstairs and start using it. Can you tell I have the fan on? Oh, your girl's having some hot flash day today. Next out, we have, really? How do I use the darn brushes? It is Vera Mona's eye brush kit with easy to follow instructions on each brush. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna say I don't need the instructions. Oh, I just realized I don't have my lighting set. Sorry about that, guys. It's fixed now. That is what the box looks like. I won't say that I don't need the instructions. I will simply say that I do not use instructions. I let the brush tell me what it would like to do. I have very specific brushes. We just talked about this, I think, in my Ipsy icon box. I got some brushes. I think it was my Ipsy icon brush. Ooh, I like the way these look. And I almost never use them for what they want me to use them for. There is an exception in here, only because I can't think of anything else to use it for. There's a spoolie. Oh, and it has it's angled, and you could use like for eyeliner or whatever, or eyebrow. Spoolies are fairly specific, although that one is very soft. I was saying the other day that I used my clear, I have to take my glasses off. I am so hot. I was using my clear brow wax on my brows, and somebody, Lisa, our friend Lisa, I think, said that that's what she uses for her wisps on her hair, and I thought that was a very good idea. Here are the other 5 brushes. They've got some weight to them. I like them a lot. The ones that I lean toward are the fatter, rounder brushes. So this was one of my choices because you guys know, as I always say, I don't need more brushes. But when I have them, gives me a little bit of time before I have to wash the ones that I have that I love. I do have favorites, so I do wash them. But I do like a little break periodically. They say they are an instructional eye brush set with how-to right on the handle. I didn't even notice that. We'll take that out again. Synthetic brush heads and purple white handle, $15 value. I did not notice the instructions on the handle. Oh, they do. Well, in as much as like the top one says light shading entire eye. The next one down says deep shading lid. The next one says, that one that was that new size that I said that I liked, that kind of small one. It says precise shading, lid and crease, and lower lash line. So that is really great for somebody who is new to brushes and is willing to let them push them around. I will not be told what to do by brushes. I'm just being silly, guys. Okay, one could argue if I would pay more attention, literally steaming up my glasses. Whew. One would claim that if I would pay more attention to what the brush says it would like to do, maybe I would have a better experience applying my makeup. Okay, next out, you guys know, if there's a candle, I'm picking the candle. I love candles. This is Cinnamon Chai, which spoke to me. I mean, cinnamon chai. Doesn't that sound fantastic? Oh, because it is. Oh my goodness. And it has the cinnamon in it, but it's not at all Christmas because of the chai. It's just very kitcheny, very gourmand. That is fantastic. I just want to on that for quite some time. The brand is Jack's Kelly, a 4-ounce hand-poured candle made of clean ingredients and 100% American-grown soy wax. Available in 2 scents, cinnamon chai or strawberry guava. I chose cinnamon chai because I'm a cinnamon chai type kind of girl. If I didn't say that, had a $13 value. Next out, we have the Luxe Glow Skincare Luxe Gold Gold Collagen Eye Masks. And that is what that looks like. It says it reduces puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles. You will always speak to me when you tell me something is going to help dark circles because your girl has a dark circle issue. Oh my gosh, there's like 180 in here. There's not. There are a lot though. Probably, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Did it say that on here and I could have just read it? I don't think it does. Okay, good. I didn't miss anything obvious. So there are 10 of them. That is what they look like. They have a $29.99 value, and it says eye masks formulated with natural ingredients, including plant-based collagen, vitamin C, rose oil, and hyaluronic acid. So I look forward to trying these on my eyes. My eyes have been a little bit dry this winter, so that'll be helpful. Okay, and last out, I have my Foxy Bay Heat Protectant Spray. We just had a whole talk about how I love a leave-in. Something to protect my hair, to protect it from heat, to help it lay a little nicer, be less frizzy. This is a cool heat protectant spray. Being super hot ain't always a good thing. Protect your hair from hot tools with our Cool AF heat protectant spray. Oh, it does say AF. You can't. They've made it very, very light after that cool, so I couldn't see it. Does it say that on the front? Oh yeah, it does. Interesting. Not only are you protecting your hair from breakage and damage, but our special biotin enhanced formula helps build body, enhance shine, and provides a light hold while also helping grow your hair faster and stronger. Excellent. And it says it's full of clean, flexible styling agents and essential fatty acids to add shine and memory for perfect styling. I love this type bottle. I just got a refresher in my FabFitFun that was in this exact same style, and I love it a lot. Yes. I only have 6 of my 7 items. To be honest, I am not sure which of these was my 7th choice. You guys know how I am. I kind of roll through and pick my things and move on so that when the box comes, I'm slightly surprised. So I will find out what that was and I will reach out to Jess. I've had the box for years. This has never, ever happened. So I am sure, I say with certainty, she will make it right. Kind of like my earrings were, oh, these earrings. I love these earrings. Were missing from my FabFitFun. Things happen. Okay, so if you are a bronze bear and you choose 3 items, you also get the bronze bear bonus. And this month, that was the Studio O. How adorable is that? It is a hand sanitizer holder. It clips onto your bag or backpack. 2-ounce capacity, can be used for other travel needs as well, such as soap or lotion. Styles vary. I got a hedgehog. And I have my oldest granddaughter loves hedgehogs. So if this is her desire, she shall have it. But that said, that is really cool that it's an easy clip, because I do switch purses periodically. I go from a crossbody to a regular over the shoulder, that kind of thing. Came with an empty, so you could put your in it, but I just happen to have, I keep up here in case I come across something that I don't love in a bag. I have a Purell. It fits into it perfectly. So that is what that looks like. That is very cool. I like that a lot. I have one of the ones, it's like a pretzel with sprinkles on it. I know that sounds weird. That holds the ones from Bath & Body Works because I love those because of the scents. That said, a lot of the times when I'm using this, I'm also giving it to my husband. And he's not always as enamored of the scents that I choose. So we almost always have regular Purells around. So you would have gotten that if you were a bronze bear. If you are a silver bear, which means you chose 5 items, like I chose 7, you got the bronze bear bonus. So you received this, and you also received this lovely gold pen. And it says, LSW Gold Ballpoint Pen is crafted from high-quality metal with an engraved logo. Oh, it does. It has the nice LSW on it. Featuring black ink, it is the perfect companion to use in one of the LSW journals in a past box or the to-do planner in the winter 2024 box. You could use it for anything, but that's just a very lovely pen. You know, one that you wouldn't mind sitting out like next to your... say next to your phone in case you're 80 like me and you have a landline still that you keep paper and pen next to. This is very pretty. If you are a gold bear, you will receive the bronze bear bonus, the little sanitizer holder, the pen, and then this is the gold bonus. And it is cranberry and apple Vitamasks probiotic repair. They are made with cranberry apple vitamin C. I will set this aside. I'm going to do more giveaways this year. I already have one going. So I will put this aside because it has vitamin C in it, and I just can't. Vitamin C is very aggressive for my skin, so I will set this aside, but that is very nice. I am so glad I got the eye mask, so that worked perfectly. Okay, that is my Goldie Box. So like I said, you choose, she puts the group, like all of these items that I have. Here, let me tell you what else there was. But all of the items that I chose, plus there was a base blue color corrector. There was a Bloom planner. That's the planner that she was talking about that you could have chosen that the pen would go so nicely with. LSW London Mind Cards in the Kids Edition, designed to build patience, resilience, and self-love with 30 cards. we've gotten that in a past box, or it was a choice in a past box for adults. So it's kind of nice she's added it for children. The Balm, a lightweight moisturizer infused with skin healthy ingredients like ceramides, peptides, lightweight texture for daily daytime use. The Balm Meet Matte Hues collection of liquid lipsticks were created for matte finish, long-lasting and comfortable formula. The shade Affectionate is a natural pink shade. Or Upcircle, the new peptide serum is clinically proven to enhance skin elasticity by 29.4% in 2 weeks. So you could have chosen any. You know what? Hold on. I have a receipt, I think, that comes in the top of this that I ditch immediately because it has my address on it. I wonder if I only chose 6 things and she didn't catch it and neither did I. No, I also chose the Meet Matte Hues Lippy in Affectionate. I'll let her know and I'm sure she'll send it right out. If you have any questions, let me know below. If I can't answer the question, I will reach out to Jess and I'm sure she will get us an answer. I love it. I love that you don't pick one from each customization. You just pick the 3, 5, or 7 from the how many ever choices she gives us, 11, 14. You pick the ones that speak to you. And that works for me. So you build your box. You can build it based on the most expensive items. If that's how you build a box, you can build it based on the items that you think you'll use the most, which is my approach to all boxes. I want the value to be a good value, but mostly I want to have a box full of things I know I'll use, so there's no waste. Thank you again for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will put my discount code and all of the information on pricing down below to send you over to her page. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming off. I'm gonna go get a cool drink and see if I can cool down because this flash, she's lasted. Have a great evening, guys.